Welcome to Nirvana Travel, your gateway to breathtaking destinations around the globe. Today, we journey to the beating heart of the Caribbean, Santo Domingo, the capital of the Dominican Republic. This city isn't just a place, it's a story. A living museum where centuries of colonial legacy echo through stone cathedrals, and the pulse of modern Dominican life beats to the rhythm of merengue along bustling boulevards. In this video, we'll walk you through the UNESCO-protected streets of the colonial zone, explore the grand monuments of modern Santo Domingo, and give you practical travel tips for planning an unforgettable visit. So, whether you're drawn by history, culture, or the promise of coastal sunsets, stay with us as we discover the soul of this vibrant Caribbean capital. We begin in the oldest permanent European settlement of the New World, the Colonial Zone, or Zona Colonial. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this area holds more than 500 years of history within its stone walls. Walk its cobblestone streets, and you're walking through the origins of European colonization in the Americas. Standing as its crown jewel is the Cathedral of Santa Maria la Menor, formerly known as Nuestra Señora de la Encarnación. Completed in the early 16th century, it holds the title of the first cathedral built in the Americas. Its limestone facade and Gothic arches represent more than architecture, they symbolize the starting point of a global chapter. Just steps away, Columbus Park anchors the square with the statue of Christopher Columbus pointing outward, a tribute as controversial as it is historically significant. Further along, the Alcázar de Colón, once the home of Diego Columbus, son of Christopher, remains one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Built in the early 1500s, the structure blends Gothic and Renaissance elements. Today, it houses a museum showcasing period furniture, tapestries, and artwork, allowing visitors to visualize the lifestyle of Spanish colonial elites. The ruins of the Monastery of San Francisco speak to a more weathered history. Though partially destroyed by hurricanes and battles, the site has transformed into a cultural venue for concerts and community gatherings, a poetic fusion of decay and vitality. Nearby, the Palacio Consistorial rises elegantly in neoclassical form. This historic town hall played a key role in the civic life of early Santo Domingo and now serves as a symbol of enduring governance. Just beyond, the Panteón de la Patria stands solemn and grand, a mausoleum for the country's most revered heroes. Adjacent to it, the Museo de las Casas Reales offers a rich glimpse into colonial administration and daily life. Defending the city since the 16th century, the Ozama Fortress faces the river it was built to guard. It's the oldest European fortress in the Americas and once protected Santo Domingo from pirates and invaders. Near it, the San Souci port remains active today, where ferry boats and container ships glide past a shoreline that has watched centuries of trade and transformation. Tucked among these walls is also the Serene Regina Angelorum Church and Convent, a Baroque gem of religious devotion. Its subtle elegance offers a moment of reflection amid a bustling historic district. As we leave the colonial zone behind, the city unfolds into a modern sprawl of culture, business, and life. Santo Domingo has grown beyond its colonial roots, evolving into a cosmopolitan capital that blends the past with an assertive present. One of the most symbolic expressions of national identity is the Plaza de la Bandera, or Flag Square. Towering flagpoles surround a monumental sculpture, making it a place of patriotic significance and national ceremonies. Not far from here lies one of Santo Domingo's most debated landmarks, the Faro a Colón, or Columbus Lighthouse. This massive cross-shaped structure serves as both mausoleum and museum. Built to commemorate the 500th anniversary of Columbus's first voyage, its grand ambition is matched only by its controversy. Yet, from the air, its geometric presence stands undeniably bold. Another important monument honors Friar Antonio de Montesino, one of the earliest advocates for indigenous rights in the New World. His powerful sermons challenged the morality of colonization, and today his legacy is cast in stone, facing the sea he once looked across with concern. Nearby, in Juan Barón Square, the obelisk of Santo Domingo rises skyward. A remnant of the Trujillo era, it now serves as a historical landmark and meeting point, especially during celebrations and parades. Mirador del Sur, Joaquin Balaguer Park, offers a welcome expanse of greenery. Locals jog, cycle, and relax under palm trees, enjoying one of the largest urban parks in the Caribbean. It's a reminder that the city isn't just dense and historic, it's also refreshingly alive. Along the Malecon, or George Washington Avenue, the city meets the sea in full color. The Ferris wheel of the small amusement park lights up as the sun begins to dip, and couples stroll hand in hand beside the surf. Music floats from open-air restaurants, blending merengue rhythms with the ocean breeze. As we soar over avenues like Jimenez Moya, 27 de Febrero, Kennedy, Maximo Gomez, and Avenida Anaconda, we see the web of infrastructure that connects this growing metropolis. Bridges like Juan Bosch and Juan Pablo Duarte tie neighborhoods together and frame stunning views over the Ozama River. Modern Santo Domingo is a tale of contrasts, vintage charm on one corner, sleek high-rises on the next. This duality is what gives the city its unique tempo. It's not trying to hide its history, nor is it stuck in it. The city moves forward, boldly, unapologetically, and rhythmically. To make the most of your visit to Santo Domingo, a bit of preparation goes a long way. The ideal months to visit are from November to April when the weather is drier and cooler, with average temperatures ranging from 25 to 29 degrees Celsius, 77 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Summer months can be hot and humid, with occasional tropical storms. Taxis and ride-sharing apps like Uber are widely available and affordable. Public transportation includes buses and carros públicos, though these are better for experienced travelers. Walking is the best way to experience the colonial zone, but use caution when crossing large avenues. From boutique hotels in the colonial zone to modern apartments in Piantini and Gascue, you'll find a range of lodging options. A 3 to 4 day stay is enough to explore the main sites, though staying longer allows for coastal day trips and cultural immersion. Like any major city, stay aware of your surroundings. Avoid flashing valuables, especially at night in quiet areas. Stick to well-lit and populated zones. For emergencies, dial 911 for fire, police, or medical help. The local currency is the Dominican peso. Credit cards are accepted in most urban businesses, though smaller vendors prefer cash. Tipping is customary. 10% is often added to restaurant bills, but it's courteous to leave a little extra. Spanish is the official language. A polite buenos dias or gracias goes a long way. Dominicans are warm and social. Greetings with a handshake or cheek kiss are common. Bring light, breathable clothing, sun protection, and comfortable shoes. Evenings can be breezy along the coast, so a light jacket is useful. Don't forget insect repellent, especially if you plan to venture into greener areas. Travelers from the US, Canada, the EU, and many other countries do not require a visa for stays under 30 days. However, always check current entry requirements with your local consulate or embassy before traveling. Santo Domingo is more than a destination. It's a city of firsts, the first cathedral, the first fortress, the first seat of European governance in the Americas. But it's also a city of nows, of pulsing nightlife, cultural pride, and Caribbean joy. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a beach lover, or a curious wanderer, this city invites you to explore, to connect, and to experience something uniquely Dominican. We'd love to hear from you. What part of Santo Domingo fascinates you most? Have you visited, or is it still on your bucket list? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Nirvana Travel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next journey. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.